Hello everyone, welcome to another video on Indices workshop tutorial, indices leading to quadratic equations. I am Omenka Favor Obu. If you are here to subscribe to my channel, please do well to click on the subscribe button, and you can as well check the description of this video in order to have the link to the previous videos on indices. Considering this question, to solve the equation quadratically, 2 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of 2 minus x is equal to 3. Understand? You have the equation to be 2 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of 2 minus x is equal to 3. It is important to recall that a to the power of m minus n is equals to a to the power of m all over a to the power of n. This is one of the laws of indices, which states that if the bases are the same and you are dividing, you have the right to pick one of the bases, then you subtract the powers. So using that understanding, therefore 2 to the power of 2 minus x will be equal to 2 to the power of 2 all over 2 to the power of x. Hence, 2 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of 2 all over 2 to the power of x is equal to 3. We have replaced this with what? This. Let 2 to the power of x be equal to m. It can be any letter of your choice. Substituting 2 to the power of x is equal to m in the equation above gives, m minus 2 to the power of 2 all over m is equal to 3, where 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 2 times 2 and is equal to 4. So replacing 2 to the power of 2 equal to 4, we have it to be m minus 4 all over m is equal to 3. Multiplying all through by m gives m squared minus 4 all over m times m is equal to 3m, so that the m at the numerator will cancel the m at the denominator. So the equation reduces to m squared minus 4 is equal to 3m. Subtract 3m from both sides gives m squared minus 3m minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, the index form of the equation has reduced to quadratic equation. Since it has reduced to quadratic equation, it is important to solve it in a quadratic way. And in solving it in a quadratic way, the first thing is what you have. The middle number here is minus 3, which is a sum part. So we're going to find two numbers that when you sum them, when you add them, you're going to have minus 3. And when you multiply, they're going to have minus 4. And the two numbers are plus 1 minus 4. Because plus 1 minus 4, you have minus 3. And plus 1 times minus 4, you have minus 4. Therefore, we're going to use the two numbers to replace minus 3m. Therefore, you have it to be m squared plus m minus 4m minus 4 is equal to 0. It is important to use brackets to separate your work in order to have a neat work. So using a bracket to separate your work, you have it to be this. Then you factorize. If you look at it, you discover that there is m here and there is m here. So factorizing gives, and also when you look at it, there is 4 here and there is 4 here. So you factorize that which are common in each of the brackets. So here m is common, so you bring out the m. M squared divided by m, you are left with m. You write it in your bracket. Then m divided by m is equal to 1. Then you write it in a bracket. Then minus what is common between 4m and 4 is what? 4. So you bring out the 4. 4m divided by 4 is equal to m. You write it in a bracket. Then plus 4 divided by 4 is what? 1. You write it in a bracket. Then is equal to 0. Therefore, since you have these ones in the bracket and they are common, you pick one of them, then you keep the other ones that are outside the bracket. You form a bracket for them. If I have it to be m minus 4 all in bracket, then m plus 1 all in bracket is equal to 0. M minus 4 is equal to 0, or m plus 1 is equal to 0. M is equal to minus 1, or m is equal to 4. For m equal to 4, recall that earlier that m is equal to 2 to the power of x. Therefore, m equal to 4. Therefore, will be what? 2 to the power of x is equal to 4. We have replaced this m now with what? 2 to the power of what? X. Since 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 4, hence 2 to the power of x will be equal to 2 to the power of 2. And since the bases are the same, the bases will cancel, leaving only the powers. Therefore, x is equal to 2. We have a self-text here. Solve the equation 7 to the power of w plus 7 to the power of 2 minus w is equal to 14. Thanks for watching. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.